Hello guys, good evening to all my dear friends. So today I am going to tell you about a story about from tomorrow what I can do. I go Silicon to meet Durgesh Bhaiya, who is in fourth year, and he is completed our in June he completed our degree, and he also got placed in TCS. He is a fantastic, and he is very good, and he I want to know about something. Then I asked that, and he said that please work harder and not get stress. You can do it, and from I and Prajwal go together to Silicon, and one twist is like that. Bus is a drop in main gate. Then after that I have stop little bit. Then I Prajwal say that go a little bit step towards. Then after that sometime bus came, and I say that please stop, but he cannot stop. And up to like that. So I go for uh, walking, and then I got a uncle. Then he get a lift. I take lift, and then he suggests that Shiv City gate number 3. So I go for that, and I go for um, walking, and I reach out, and Durgesh Bhaiya on the floor of he live in floor of our building. And then he suggested that hi. So I also say that hi, and then I go and take 3 or 4 hour to talk each other. And then he came with us, and uh, he lifted together in main gate, and he suggested that you want to go with I bus, or you want to go with walking. Then I take again one bhaiya is coming, and he and bhaiya left me, and I he dropped me on the main gate. Then after sometimes uh, bus came, and I got in, and all the thing I and Prajwal uh, 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 drop in Rao. And then Prajwal want to eat gupchup, but in somewhere there is crowd. Then he said that please go other side. Then also I go, but in some time I go not go for there is a small issue. uh, then I do not get gupchup. Then I go and I drink a ganna juice, and he is fantastic. And I say that do not drop ice in ganna juice. um, uh, uh, then I came, and after that he eated some omelette. And then I came in, and after some time I go for it in mess. And then mess paratha, aloo paratha, and fried rice is there, and I eat there, and also pack for my sehri. And I so that's from my day is spent, how my day is spent. It is all about how my day is spent. That's all. Thank you so much for listening me and subscribe me. Thank you.